Most people get paid, spend, and wonder where their money went at the end of the month. But if you follow a simple paycheck routine every single time, you'll never be broke, stressed, or caught off guard again. And since it's 2025, I'll show you the best tools, smart strategies, and habits that actually work in today's economy. Step 1. Cover your essentials first. Before you even think about splurging, cover your non-negotiables like rent, bills, groceries, and transportation. A good rule is to automate these payments right after payday. Apps like Monarch Money or Copilot now sync directly with your bank and show you upcoming bills so you're never caught off guard. Think of it like this. You're building a wall of protection around your essentials. Step 2. Build your safety net. In 2025, inflation is still eating into paychecks, and emergencies cost more than ever. That's why the very next step is paying your future self. Set aside at least $100 from each paycheck into an emergency fund, or whatever amount you can afford. New banking tools like SoFi Vaults or Revolut Pockets let you separate money into digital envelopes automatically. But remember, before investing, your emergency fund is your first investment in peace of mind. Step 3. Grow, don't just save. Now, let's talk growth. Leaving all your money in a savings account means inflation slowly kills your cash. That's why you should move a portion into investments. If you're in the US, apps like Fidelity Bloom or Robinhood Retirement make it super simple. And if you're outside the US, look for low-cost index funds or ETFs on your local platforms. Even $50 every paycheck adds up, thanks to compound growth. Step 4. Diversify your income streams. Here's something most paycheck routines miss. Relying only on one income is risky. In 2025, side hustles aren't just optional, they're survival. Whether it's freelance work, a small online store, or creating digital content, put part of your paycheck toward building that side income. Think of it as planting seeds. One day, those seeds grow into trees that pay you back. Step 5. Prioritize mental health alongside money. Financial stress doesn't just drain your wallet, it drains your mind. Studies show paycheck-to-paycheck living doubles your risk of anxiety. So, include mental health in your routine. That could mean budgeting for therapy, gym memberships, or even just a fun fund to enjoy without guilt. Money is meant to serve your life, not the other way around. Step 6. Add sustainable spending. More people in 2025 care about spending consciously. That doesn't mean you have to go broke being eco-friendly, but it does mean aligning your paycheck with your values. Maybe that's setting aside $20 for eco-friendly swaps or investing in green ETFs. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Step 7. Track and reflect the hidden step. Most skip. Finally, track where your paycheck actually went. Apps like YNAB, Copilot, or even a simple Google Sheet will do the trick. After this video, download a paycheck tracker and try it for one pay cycle. By next payday, you'll actually see your progress, and that feedback loop keeps you motivated. So here's the paycheck routine for 2025. Cover essentials, fund your safety net, invest for growth, build new income streams, protect your mental health, spend sustainably, and always track your progress. Do this every single time you get paid, and your money will start working for you instead of disappearing. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to The Money Mindset, and tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you do when you get paid?